Welcome back to ONYE IGBO. Today I will talk about the 4 days or 4 market days in Igbo. We have ONYE, we have Eke, we have Afo, and we have ONYE. These are the 4 market days that we have in Igbo, and these 4 days amounts to 1 week, what we call Ofu Izu, Izuka, Ofu Izuka. These 4 market days have special deities for them, and on some market days in predominantly most Igbo communities do not marry on a certain market day, and if they must marry on that market day, they have to perform a ritual of traditional rite to appease the gods of that market day before they can do any marriage ceremony. And what market day is that? The market day is what we call Eke. The Igbos, most Igbo communities do not marry on that particular market day. So that is not to say that there have not been certain exceptions, but if there must be an exception, there will be a traditional rite performed on that particular market day to appease the gods that or the deity for them, so there won't be any repercussions or any negative effect to the couples or the young couples who are about to embark on the journey of building a new home and family for themselves. And some communities have ONYE as their main market, and those days they say their village market sells the most, while some communities have Eke as theirs. Some villages or towns have those 4 markets, while some, due to the peculiar nature of the Igbos, some communities, so different communities or different big markets do not sell all on the same day. There are special days, like the popular Ekonwa, where that is Eke. It mostly sells on Eke day, but that's not to say that it does not open on every other day. It opens on every other day, but on Eke day it's special day for the deity, and all of that traditional rites that have been performed. There's one we call Amarako. That is a market in Amarako, Imo State, Isialamba, not precisely. The market sells on ONYE day. There's one also we have that particular market day. So we also have this one they call let's say Eke Zala. That is a market in also a market in Imo State as well. Let us look at. Okay, let's look about Aba. The popular shopping center in Aba. It also sells mostly the deity in ancient times. It sells on Eke day, which is called a Konha shopping center. That does not mean it does not open on ONYE or every other market day. It opens, but those are special days for those deities and those big markets. We also have ONYE. It's also a big market. That does not mean it doesn't open on Eke day. It does open on Eke day, but most things you're looking for, you go there. These are big market days, special days for the deity, and they sell on ONYE on that day. So these are, we have Afuru in Mbise too. you know, those special days too, they sell theirs. So that does not mean that they don't sell on every other day. They do sell on every other day, but for some special occasions like that, they decide to sell on those special days, and those are the special days for the deity. And for me, you know, I believe in Igbo spirituality, and which is why I mostly subscribe to the ideology of Igbo spirituality. Don't forget, like I said, I'm ONYE IGBO. I'm proud to be ONYE IGBO. I don't know about you, but if we all must come to certain understanding about certain things, we will agree that yes, we are Igbo before we become any other thing. Well, for now, I would like to cut the video here. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the ONYE IGBO. That does not mean that you're not ONYE IGBO if you have any linkage to the Igbos and all of that. But you know, it's been a while. For a year now I've made a video on this channel. Now I'm back to revive the channel. We'll have great content. Okay, Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwezonu, Igbo birinu rienu ngonu, ya gazierunu.